So, this is the first part of our Hatta tour. Okay, we are currently in Masput, and this is the village in Masput. The spelling guys is Masput daw pagkakasabi. Ganda rin ng village nila. First time! This is our first time. Dalawa lang kami. Parang special tour yung nangyari. Pasok tayo para naman na. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa museum ng Masput. Masput Museum. Tignan natin what's inside. Okay? Anong history ng Masput? Parang tayo mai-share o dito tayo magkakaroon ng history niyan. O diba guys, parang province ng Dubai. High-tech pa rin yung bayaran. Nagkapit. Ha?
You want to?
They will not gonna ask for that inside? Oh, it's okay. Shukran! Oh guys, this is the Masput Museum. O pwede daw pumasok pero no touch. Ito yung ancient beginnings ng Masput. Okay. Yan yung spelling. History of Masput. Yan yung spelling pala ng Masput. Wow! 19th century structure was made from clay and plaster with a canopy of deep palm leaves woven together to form the roof. Ito yung pinakaluma nila. Wow! Diba? Kahit ganito lang yung Masput, karabongga ay magpa-picture. Ikot ko kayo dito Tingnan. Ito yung history ng Masput, no? On September 6, Sheikh Hamad IV bin Rashid III becomes ruler of the Emirate of Azman and a member of the Supreme Council of the Union. So this is Sheikh Hamad Rashid III. Tingnan nyo guys, wow. Yung pag-akyat nila ng ano yun? Palm tree ba yan, Day? Palm tree? At itsura dati na. Ito itsura dati yun. Tingnan nyo. 500. From 500 BCE, then 500 CE, 622, 1803, 1905, 1928, 1947,